The reason I think BTC is a great partner for what we're trying to accomplish, it goes back again to people don't understand what careers are out there. Technical education is looked at as a consolation prize. You know, if you're not good enough to go to college, we'll go to tech college or go into the trades. The reality is the trades have some of the smartest people in the world. We know how to fix stuff. The reason students should attend BTC is its exposure to all the trades, phenomenal careers, where you have a sense of dignity, you have a sense of creativity, purpose, you are making a daily difference in society. You've got a phenomenal staff that's committed not just to get you a degree, but to really help discover what your gifts are, what your talents are, and find out where you fit. And I've really been impressed with the staff that understand that about students. Blackhawk is a great community partner. We're all in this together. It's not just a degree, it's really a sense of calling at times. It's a place to discover you can really be impactful.